Welcome again to another episode of Model Car Memories. I'm going to do a quick cleanup video. I've got the Model T here from the AMT 3-in-1 kit. I haven't seen anything really broken on this. As you can see, it's got all the options to it here. Do see, I think the seat is missing, the bottom part of the seat. So I'll take a look for that in the spare parts bin. But hopefully this will just be a quick cleanup. It's got a lot of dust on it, as you can see. So I'll start working on that and see if I can find the one missing part, and I'll come back to you in a little bit here. All right, I've got it all cleaned up. What I had to do in a couple places where these little cotton swabs couldn't get to, I actually used a small brush to get into it. Just wet it and to get into some of the places where it was maybe sometimes a little delicate, or a place that this just couldn't get to. So, and also I've got found the original box here for it. So and on the hood part of it, there's a couple pieces of electrical tape on here that my stepdad put on. So he could raise the hood on it, I guess, and display it like that. But I left the tape on there. The body, he didn't paint the body to it. Did paint the wood, and then a couple of silver accents on the wheels, even the valve stem, and of course, like everything else, painted the exhaust red all the way across. But the engine, there's no paint on the engine except for the silver on top of the spark plugs, and then a little silver on top of the radiator cap. But that's about it. I did notice part of the back suspension was broke a little bit, so I haven't seen that anywhere, a spare part. I didn't find the seat either. So, but he didn't glue anything onto the back. So I guess so you can, if you like it this way one day, if you want to change it up, put the others on, put the spare tire on. Did paint the red on the tail light there. You know, top up, top down, whatever you feel like. So I think, or you can put so you put this on. You can haul everything around in the back. And there you go. 1925 Model T. So let me set this aside. Like I said, we've got the original box here. And he did make both of the cars out of it. I've already done the one, the chopped coupe. And like on the box, it shows all the some of the different variations that you can do on it. Let's see. So it has a 125-200 on the side here. So I guess that was a $2 kit. There's all the parts. Of course, they show them in red. Of course, that one was molded in black because it's not painted. A couple other kits it has listed there. And then the other side is just a mirror on the front. Kind of kept this box here because we've got old cans of AMT lacquer, 89 cents. Feels like it's got a little bit left in it. So that's black, and there's red. Yeah, there's a little bit there. Let's see. There's another one that doesn't have the top to it. That one is so base gold, candy color. All right, by Barris. So George Barris thing. So that one is definitely empty. Let's see what else got here. Another one. Looks like it was a black can. That's off of it. Okay. Some Aerogloss. So for the airplane that he had done. Let's see. Oh, this one's another one. 49 cents on this one. base, there it is, another base gold. So it's another thing of the candy color there. So, and there's a blue one. I think this blue one here was something I did when I was a kid. Okay, Gibson's, $1.49. So I think that was a an old Camaro or something I'd done. And then there's a clear lacquer spray testers. Still got some in there. So that's what we got in the box. But like always, I'll post some close-up pictures of the Model T on the Instagram page, and y'all can check that out. But thank you for watching, as always. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'm getting close to, I think, 400 subscribers on that. See if we can surpass that soon. Like I said, I probably got 4 kits that I'll do an unboxing on, and maybe 2 or 3 of them more to do a clean and repair on. And then I'll just move on to something else. One of the kits that is, I said, I need to unbox, I'll actually build it, because I'll build it to match one of my stepdad's cars that he owned. So stay tuned for that later on this year. So, like I said, thanks for watching.